Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to download Rust on your PC or laptop. First of all, you need to have installed Steam on your device. If you don't have Steam, first of all, Google this simple keyword, download Steam, open the first result, and click the installed Steam button right here. Once you will install and create an account, then you can open your Steam, go to the store on the top menu, and in the search bar type Rust, click the search button and open the first result, which is Rust game. Then you need to scroll a little bit down, and right here you will see this add to cart button. Click it, click view my cart, continue to payment, scroll this down and choose your favorite payment option. There will be different options for different countries. So choose your favorite one and click the continue button, finalize the payment, and then you can check your game in the library. Click the library in the top menu, and on the left side you will find the Rust. So click Rust and click the install button. So that's all I wanted to show you in this small video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.